I strive to try my best in everything I do and try to make my projects here at Spicer be successful, whether that be completion on time, high quality data, so that way our clients are satisfied and strive to exceed their expectations. SVSU has supported me in very many ways. I think they built the foundation for me in my professional life in many ways. Athletics taught me how to work as a team, which is a little cliche, but it's very true. You have a lot of different kinds of team members. You have different coaches, you're in different circumstances where you need to overcome whatever it may be. So that's really helped me in my professional life to realize it's like, okay, you've been through this before, might have been a different circumstance, but you know how to get through it. I'd also have to say that through my studies, especially with my chemistry degree, I was able to do some research with Dr. Karpovich and a few other professors at SVSU through the Environmental Science Institute. That helped me look at learning in a different perspective. You can take something that you gather from the environment, meaningfully interpret that and share that with other people. So I think that's something that's really helped me here at Spicer because I do that often, every day with different projects. My leadership style tends to be lead by example, and that's something that I think has just kind of come naturally to me. I was also a captain at SVSU for cross country and track, and I also worked in a team. We all co-led for various research projects, and I think that leading in those different ways and just trying my best to communicate with other people in the team, whether that be with chemistry or with sports, I think that helped me take each day as an opportunity and have fun with it. There's been so many successful former students from Saginaw Valley State University, and I feel very humbled and honored to even be chosen, and to have my efforts be highlighted by my university is really something special and doesn't happen every day.